Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the pound symbol on your Google Docs mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video.
So how to insert the pound symbol on your Google Docs mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, this is a short video, so I just opening this document and clicking on the edit option. How to insert the pound symbol, that the content here. So you just need to use your keyboard to insert the pound symbol, because the plus symbol, if you click on the plus symbol and go to the insert option, there is no option to insert the symbol. So you just need to use your keyboard, click on this number option. Here you can't see any numbers here or pound symbol here, so you just need to click this, you just want to click this option. So you just want to click this option, which here you can see every symbols, that pound symbol or euro symbol, you can see every symbol here. So here this is the pound symbol actually. So you can just insert it like this, and you can just resize it just selecting it, and you can just change on by clicking on this A symbol, and just you can just resize it whatever that you want. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.